Oh, it's so bumpy, this is fucked. This is coming off. Fuck! What's going on, ladies and gents? Welcome back to another video. And today we've got a little bit of a different one. We've got Max on the Grom. I'm back on the Grom as well. I've got Harv behind me on the Road Legal Pity. Essentially, we just ordered some Dominoes and we're going to go and pick that up and see if we can get them back on the bikes. So yeah, something a little bit different. We just thought we might as well film it and see how it goes. So yeah. Talking up video ideas, road trips and stuff. Also mentioned in the last video we're going to Devon. Harv is now thinking of coming with us, which is sick. Yeah, it's pretty neat. At the moment these guys are rebuilding a 1979 Suzuki PV50, I believe is what it is, and we've got a KX80 two-stroke that we're trying to make road legal. It ran for the first time yesterday, which is pretty cool. But yeah, we've got a couple little projects we're going to do videos on. Obviously more group rides and stuff. I think Max has got a GoPro that he wants to set up in his helmet. Obviously it's better just to have more angles, I guess. Apart from that, yeah, just normal Saturday night for us, to be honest. Getting some pizza, chilling out in the shed, having a chat, and I thought I'd bring you guys along with me. No idea how the fuck I'm going to get a Domino's back on this, but we'll find out. We've got bags, so drinks are going there, but yeah, just something a little bit interesting. Woo! Oh, fucking visor. Oh. So yeah, we want to start doing more videos, kind of us three messing around, sort of turn it into a bit of a group channel. We got some builds we want to do, as I mentioned. Road trip videos, just general like titting about. Just do it for a bit of fun. We're thinking of doing, we had a massive discussion about this yesterday. We're thinking of doing like beginner's guide videos. Like I obviously did the one about the licenses, but yeah, more stuff just about like basic maintenance and stuff that people will actually want to watch, and that people want to sort of have an informative but entertaining video, because us three will just fuck about, but we get shit done as well, believe it or not. Right, the pizza has been acquired. I don't know how the fuck this is going to work. You're not taking all of that, are you?
Before the adventure begins.
I dare you, I dare you. Ooh, hoo, hoo.
Right, you sort yours, I'll do yours. Right, put it around that way.
Oh mate, this is perfect! Right, somehow I can hold it up.
How in the fuck?
This is a bad old...
Yeah, well yeah, they're going to go fucking everywhere, mate, but...
Right, you ready?
Fuck's sake. Yeah. Honestly, shit with this visor. This is the sketchiest thing I've ever fucking done. What the fuck are we doing? What are we doing? We've got to get back before it's dark as well, because half's only got daytime MOT. Oh fuck, please don't stop. Stopping isn't good. I'm going to try and reposition it a little bit. Okay, we're all good, we're all right. I didn't think I was going to make it this far, to be honest. Oh, this is fucking sketch. Oh, he's got a fucking Kickstarter as well, for fuck's sake. See you later, boys. Right, we'll put that indicator on. And we'll get it all downshift. And then we'll hold on to it, go around the corner, hopefully. That's alright, it's been alright. It's a little bit fucking sketch, it moves around too much, but it's not awful. I want to go to second fairly early, get that indicator on. Into second, fuck, that was a bit weird. Oh, I'm holding it out with my thigh. Fuck. Somebody's going to have to sit outside with a pizza, surely?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's good. That's stolen in the 740. Where is stolen? Oh, hang on. Wait, we've got to actually
Safe and sound, mate. Right, this is going to be fun. I'm gonna That's already fucked. Okay, now this is such a fucking weird looking roundabout. Okay, now it's mostly straight, so we might be alright. Shit, that's coming off. What's he doing? Oh, it works well, to be fair. Fucking nice. Oh. I need to sit forward more. I need to like hug it. We're literally there now. No. No. Shit. Is it alright? Thank fuck for that. We were right there as well. Fuck's sake.